Hi, welcome to this partner showcase. My name is Guy Bartram. I'm Director of Product Marketing at Broadcom, and today I'm joined by Katarina. Welcome, Katarina. Thank you very much for coming today. Welcome to this showcase video. First of all, introduce yourself and then tell us a little bit about PlusServer.
Thanks for having me here. My name is Katarina Cordes. I'm Product Director at PlusServer, where I get to work with a fantastic technologist team, and we build our enterprise VMware-based cloud and storage infrastructure. And our goal is to create a secure, scalable, sovereign infrastructure where our customers can store and operate their data in a secure environment, knowing their business is in safe hands.
Awesome, and sovereign is a real key topic of the day. So where is PlusCloud? Where do you operate? Where's your data centers?
We are located in Germany. We are a GDPR compliant provider. We have 4 data centers, all based in Germany, and geo-redundant setup.
Okay.
Yeah, and our cloud services are tested and certified according to BSI C5.
Okay, so a very high level of certification keeps the customers happy that it's all compliant and assured. Okay.
Yeah.
And what type of customers do you have in these sovereign environments?
Oh, this is, it depends. So we have customers from, for example, mid-sized companies where we do a very comprehensive consulting to start and to push the IT transformation to the journey into the cloud, into a sovereign setup from on-prem into the cloud, also to help customers run a hybrid setup. And on the other hand, we have startups that are completely cloud ready and just provision their clouds directly from our web shop. So it depends.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you deal with kind of all sorts of sizes of customer.
Yeah.
So you mentioned a web shop.
Yeah.
And your VMware Cloud. That's PlusCloud, is that right?
Yes.
Okay. So can you tell me a little bit about them?
Yes. Well, you have different touch points where you can get in touch with us. Where you would like to have, first of all, a consulting, or you are deep into the tech knowledge, you are bringing all it with you, you know what you want, then you can choose the way to consume the product from our web shop. But what I really highly recommend is, and what we love, is to get really in touch with our customers, to do physical visit in one of our data centers in Cologne, for example, where you really can see where your data is.
Yeah, that's nice to know.
Yes.
Yeah.
And additionally to that, you will benefit from this comprehensive consulting when it comes to what is the right setup for your status quo, but also for your future. So where will your business grow and what will the future requirements be? And there, at that point, we offer a consulting for your cloud infrastructure as itself, but also for the application level and, of course, for all the security issues and services. Yeah.
So consultancy, I think, is a real key differentiator, because lots of people are kind of struggling with understanding. They've got very complicated IT estates grown over 30 years, 20 years. They want to move to cloud. How do they do this? And especially when there's things like compliance and regulation involved. So consulting is a real key differentiator for PlusCloud then. Okay, and the VMware portion of the cloud, what does that actually include?
Yes, so you have, on the one hand, the option of being completely flexible. So you can book your first VM, from the portal, and you can also choose a on-demand payment model. So if you just wanted to play around, to test around, and then you can go, if it would be left side, it's completely flexible, and then you go to the right side, that you can have your own small data center located in our certified data center, so you have your private setup,
Okay.
where you can even deploy your private AI. That is the feature we are creating together. Yes. So on top of that, we have like disaster recovery as a service to take care that the business critical workloads of our customers are double saved, and we ensure that our customers have their daily running business in a secure setup. And therefore, this is really critical or crucial to have this consulting in the first phase to know how your processes are set up and where data is stored and processed. So which workloads are more critical and what of them are less critical, and how to handle it in an efficient way for your business model.
Yeah, so making that kind of assessment and understanding, and then placement of the workloads. Okay, you mentioned something about private AI, and now that's a really exciting space. Can you tell me what's Plus Cloud doing with AI?
Well, on the one hand, we take care that we run our business, our services as they are already established in a smooth way. Of course, we are challenging and looking into new things that are coming from you with all this new innovation. And of course, AI is the topic. So we invest in the newest setup you will provide with VCF 9 to deliver private AI within a private cloud setup to really have the most of all the benefits that comes with a completely private setup. And I think in general, where your data is stored and processed, this sovereign discussion is the basic layer. And then we have this AI layer on top. And definitely when it comes to why invest in private setups, you need to provide that services that customers can optimize their business model using AI. And there we are.
That's a real common challenge, isn't it? I know that AI can really help my business, but I'm not sure how to prioritize the use cases, the skills and resources to understand what to do. I mean, do I need a data scientist? Am I going to be training or inferencing? What type of AI models am I going to use? Is it going to be a chatbot? Lots of different kind of questions from customers on that.
I think that's very challenging for everyone, whether you run a private business or you're an organization. You really need to go more into ownership of your processes and how you run your business to first identify what are the main cases or what are the most critical cases I could optimize. So to clarify this first, and also here we provide consulting for. So from the beginning, this and that are the cases, and this is my KPI I want to improve. And then you set up the custom AI for that and do a measurement after that. So you have really, you stop that opinion-driven decisions and shift it to data-based
data-driven decisions.
Decisions, right.
Okay. And it's very different to what a hyperscale can offer. Obviously, you're giving the German standards.
GDPR,
BSI
C5, yes.
You're in an isolated, segregated...
Geo-redundancy, full package.
And then you've got this thing called private AI, which is using your data, not going outside your environment. There's huge advantages in that, isn't it?
So you can locate it in our data centers, or if it's critical for you, also the setup could be in your data center run by us. So
so you can extend those services into that. That's really handy as well. So customers could take a staged approach to coming on board. Okay, brilliant. Well, Katarina, it's been a pleasure to talk to you today. Where can the viewers go to find out more about PlusServer?
Of course, you can go to our website, so PlusServer.com, or you can use our web shop, it's linked there. And of course, you can reach out to me via LinkedIn, for example, and let's chat and meet at events like Explore, for example.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Katarina, let's start the ball rolling. Thank you very much.
Thank you.